Hello everyone. Today we are going to go over how you can use DialMyCalls to automate weather alerts for your school or business. Once you have logged into your DialMyCalls account, click on Broadcast and New Broadcast. Select Phone Call, Text Message, and Email to ensure everyone receives the weather alert. Click Next to continue. Select the contact groups you'd like your alert to go to. For schools, you can select faculty, students, and parents, or for your businesses, you can select all of your employees. Once you've selected your contacts, click Next. You will now want to select the phone number that will be used as the caller ID when you send out your weather alert. Click Next to continue. Select your weather alert recording and click Next to continue. From the dropdown, select the phone number that will be used to send out your text message. From the dropdown, select the phone number that will be used to send out your text message. Then you will want to select a Save Text Message template or create a new text by typing in the dialog box. Click Next to continue. The email option is a free option, so it will automatically populate the text message that you are sending out. Click Next to continue. Name your broadcast so that you can easily find the detailed report and view the results. Click Next to continue. Go over all the details of your broadcast, and if everything looks good, click on Confirm and Send, and then click Yes. Your weather alert will now be sent to all of the contacts you selected via phone call, text message, and email. Go back to your dashboard and you will now see the weather alerts listed under Completed Broadcast. Click any of the notifications to view the detailed report, which will show every contact that received your message and the result for each. That's it. You have now learned how to use DialMyCalls to send automated weather alerts for your school or business. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.